Ever wondered why Ukrainians don't smile at strangers, or why they have a thing for painted eggs? It's all part of the rich tapestry of culture and traditions that make Ukraine a land of hidden wonders. From the uniqueness of their social etiquette to their adoration for pizanki, the beautifully painted eggs, Ukraine is a country that dances to its own rhythm. But hold on, there's more to Ukraine than meets the eye, and it's not just about their obsession with colorful eggs. Let's dive into the deep end of Ukraine's culture, or as I like to call it, the colorful mosaic. The vibrant culture of Ukraine is a splendid tapestry, woven with threads of tradition, music, dance, and of course food. It's like a grand waltz, choreographed to the rhythm of life, where every step tells a story and every beat echoes the heart of the nation. Imagine a scene where the air is filled with the melodious strains of the bandura, Ukraine's national instrument. The music is a symphony of history, a songbook of the country's past. It's not just music, it's a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Ukrainian people, a rhythm that pulses with the beat of their hearts. Now picture yourself at a traditional Ukrainian dance, the hopak, perhaps. It's not just a dance, it's an expression of joy, energy, and unity. Every leap, every twirl, every stamp of the foot is a vibrant display of passion and strength. It's like watching a living, breathing artwork in motion. But what's a celebration without food? And in Ukraine, there's one dish that stands out from the rest: borscht. It's not just a beetroot soup, it's a culinary time capsule. Each spoonful is steeped in history and tradition. The rich, hearty broth, the vibrant beetroot, the dollop of sour cream on top. It's like tasting the essence of Ukraine itself. And let's not forget about the pizanki tradition, the art of decorating eggs. It's not just a craft, it's a symbol of rebirth and renewal, a testament to the country's enduring faith and hope. So, you see, Ukraine's culture is like a colorful mosaic, a vibrant collage of customs and traditions, each piece unique yet perfectly complementing the others. It's a dance of flavors, a symphony of sounds, a tableau of traditions. So next time you're offered borscht, remember, it's not just a beetroot soup, it's a bowl full of Ukrainian history and love. Now let's talk money, or rather, let's talk about Ukraine's economy, famously known as the breadbasket of Europe. Picture this: a vast expanse of golden wheat fields, a landscape dotted with sunflowers turning their faces to the sun. That's Ukraine for you, a country that's not just picturesque but is also an agricultural powerhouse. Despite economic challenges that would make anyone's head spin, Ukraine is no slouch when it comes to farming. This nation, with its rich, fertile soil known as Black Earth, manages to produce a whopping quarter of the world's sunflower oil. That's right, folks. 1 in every 4 bottles of sunflower oil comes straight from Ukraine. It's like the nation has a secret superpower. And instead of shooting lasers from their eyes, they're growing grains and sunflowers. And it's not just about sunflower oil. Ukraine is a top producer of wheat, barley, and maize. This abundance of grain and agricultural produce has earned Ukraine the nickname breadbasket of Europe. It's a bit like being the Superman of sunflowers or the Wonder Woman of wheat. So, why is Ukraine so good at growing grains? Well, that's a story for another day. But for now, let's just say that their secret weapon is a combination of fertile soil, favorable climate, and the sheer hard work of its people. So the next time you're munching on sunflower seeds, chances are they're Ukrainian. And remember, Ukraine isn't just a grain basket, it's a sunflower oil tycoon. But what truly makes Ukraine unique? It's the people, the Ukrainians, the heart of Ukraine. These folks are a resilient bunch, as tough as the winters they endure. But don't be fooled. Beneath their stern exterior lies a warmth that can thaw even the harshest cold. You see, Ukrainians have a peculiar etiquette when it comes to smiling. It's not that they're unapproachable or cold, far from it. In fact, they're some of the most welcoming people you could ever hope to meet. It's just that, well, they prefer to save their smiles for when they really mean it. Consider it a form of honesty. A Ukrainian smile is a genuine token of friendship, not a social obligation. It's a gift, not a courtesy. So, the next time you're in Ukraine and you encounter a seemingly stern face, remember this. It's not a frown, it's a pre-smile. So remember, if a Ukrainian doesn't smile at you, it's not because they're not friendly. They're just saving their smiles for when they really mean it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and watch more video on Ukraine and learning Ukrainian.